Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice exponential equations? We have 10 power x plus 10 power x equals 50. So let's see solution from here. So we're given 10 power x, and suppose we factor out 10 power x from here. Here we have 1 plus 1, and this equals 50. So then from here, you can see this as 10 power x multiplied by 1 plus 1, that is 2. So equals 50. And then from here, let's divide both sides by 2. So by dividing both sides by 2, it reduces this, and we have 10 power x equals, so 2 in 50, that is 25. And from here, we have 10 power x, and this is 25. We cannot express 25 as base of 10. So what we do here is we introduce logarithm to both sides because we need to get this value of x. So to do that, we have log 10 power x equals log 25. And when we have the rule of logarithm like this, log p raised to power n, this equals n multiplied by log p. So let's master this. Then we have this as x multiplied by log 10 equals log 25. So since we need the value of x, we divide both sides by log 10. So also here we divide by log 10. So when log 10 cancelled log 10, we have this as x equals log 25 divided by log 10. So we cannot leave the answer like this because these are too big. So let's try to simplify this. By simplifying this, we can call this one log 25 is just like 5 raised to power 2, okay? Divided by, and why 10 here, we can have this as log 5 multiplied by 2, and this one gives 10. So I've applied this power rule already, but let's see this one. We have 5 times 2, this is just like multiplications. So the rule says if you have log a times b, suppose we have log a times b, so this is just like log a plus log b. So we apply it, and we have our x a equals 2 log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 2. So in the next step we have, so here is what we have. Let's try to divide by log 5 from here. Add this as 2 multiplied by log 5 divided by log 5. Then everything divided by, so here is log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. So from here, log 5 cancelled log 5, and also log 5 cancelled log 5. So when log 5 cancelled log 5 here, we have this as 2 divided by 1 plus. So here we have log 2 divided by log 5. So from here, we can see this as we have log 2 divided by log 5. Suppose we have log a divided by log b. So this equals log a base b. So when we apply this, We are going to see this as x equals 2 divided by 1 plus log 2 base 5. And this is the result for the value of x, as we have 2 divided by 1 plus log 2 base 5. So this is how to solve these questions. I hope we learned something today. Thanks for watching. And if you are new here to this channel and you find this video interesting, please do well to like, share and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.